Don't. Don't go to the bottom floor yet, because I don't want to set off the alarm, if there is one. It was funny. There's a girl there. Go quick, 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 go quick. Go on, go on, go on, go on, get it, mate. Go on. There's people coming. They're like cameras in this building. There's one at every fucking floor. To be honest, I actually think it's good when there's too many cameras, because I think it means one of two things. Either they're not real cameras, yeah, or they've got a really overzealous technician. You know, he's like, oh, I can install cameras on every fucking corner, and the security guy's like, oh fuck my life, how the fuck am I supposed to monitor that fucking 4,000 cameras? Yeah. Which basically means they don't actually get looked at. Every after the one camera, there's another camera. Oh, jeez, come on, that is a joke. Are we on camera? Yeah. For fuck's sake. It's so bougie. Chilling. Do you think I should turn the light off outside here? Because then if someone sees the door, or this, or this. Yeah. Legend! Holy fucking shit! Oh my god! Both those locks are pathetic.
Yeah, innit? I'm surprised they're not unlocked.
Easy doubles. easy stuff.
So good. Screws. Screw him, you know.
I don't know, man. How much? I wonder how long he's gonna do this for. Yeah. How much energy he's gonna expend doing just this.
When does
like he's not searching for food or for a mate, which is what we normally think animals do. He's just having fun, literally. Yeah. Like there's no way he's trying to find food. He's just flying because it's fun.